What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're gonna go over Fantom, guys. The bulls are back in control. We've broken out with Bitcoin, as I'm sure many of you are aware. We've been waiting for it for 3 weeks. So let's go over the analysis. Currently we're sitting at 309. We're sitting at a market cap of 7.82 billion. We're up about 9% on the day, excuse me. And we're sitting at a 24-hour volume of 757 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. Grab one of their incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto. Spotify, Netflix, Prime for free, depending on the level of card you have, as well as $25 in their native coin Crow, which has been absolutely exploding. Actually, I want to start on this chart here. So we're going to start here on the 4-hour chart. So we came down to both our buy zones over the last week. We took profits right here at about 295. We came down, we hit our buy zone once again, and currently our trade is up. If you're using this method here, you're up about 20%. If you took profits here, no need to worry. It's always good to lock in some gains. But if you're doing your own analysis and you believe the coin is going to trend higher, you can always sell 25, 50% and let the rest ride. So if we can come up and break 346, which was the previous all-time high, we can invalidate that ABC correction that I've been talking about here. As you can see here, we've had a beautiful bounce off the 20 EMAs. So if we can come up and break this high, that's when we can start heading up to the 2 extension at 587, which is our bull run target here for Fantom. Now Bitcoin has broken out beautifully here out of this falling wedge, and as well as on the way from our target from our descending broadening channel here. The one thing you want to keep an eye on is the Bitcoin dominance. You can see the Bitcoin dominance has come up and hit this level of resistance, previous level of support. But if Bitcoin trends higher, I do see the Bitcoin dominance trending higher with it, which just means that more money is flowing into Bitcoin and not into the altcoins. So that will definitely affect some of the altcoins movements here. But the bulls are just so strong with Fantom. As you can see here, Bitcoin's broken out and Fantom is just taking off here. So your next take profit zone is 346, the previous all-time high. And then basically you have the 2 extension, which is coming in here right around $4 at 2.272 at 486. There will be some resistance along the way. So what you can do here is take your Fibonacci, swing high, swing low. Currently breaking the golden ratio, which is always a strong signal. You're going to go back up to where you came from at 346 and head up to the 1.272, which is coming in at about 381 for Fantom. I'm just going to remove this because it's a little bit distracting to have double fibs. So if we do roll over a bit here, do target 295 as your level of support. We created a really strong level of support here on the 1.414 at about 262. So I do think there's a strong likelihood that we invalidate this ABC correction. But if we were to get rejected, we roll over, we could still go through the ABC. But the fact we're holding the 20 EMA and we've had such a strong bounce and we created that strong level of support on the 1.414 with our Fibonacci here pulled from our swing high in September down to our swing low. I do think Fantom has a terrific opportunity to come up and break the previous all-time high and start heading to our next price target. So that's basically it for this one, guys. Quick shout out to the Discord. Over 1,000 members. We're posting chart patterns. We're talking all things crypto. We have new members joining every single day, guys. It's the price of a coffee. Incredible investment opportunity. Great way to support the channel. You can follow me on IG if you'd like to, and I'll see you in the next video. All right. Much love. Take care.